Did you know that around 85% of men often fail to recognize when they're being deceived in a relationship? Surprising, right? But don't worry. Today, I'll be sharing key insights that could change how you view your relationship. Before we dive in, if you're ready to level up, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Now let's get started. Men, listen closely, because what I'm about to share might give you the tools to uncover some hidden behaviors in your relationship. You may have heard that women are often skilled at keeping their true feelings under wraps. Well, that's not just a stereotype. In fact, when it comes to infidelity, women tend to be more subtle and strategic compared to men. While some men may love behind obvious signs when they are unfaithful, many women have a way of concealing their actions, almost like an art form. But don't get discouraged, because today I'll reveal 6 common phrases that could indicate something is amiss. Phrases that often slip right under the radar. Imagine this. What if your partner's words were telling you something you hadn't noticed? Do you truly understand what's going on in your relationship? Has your partner ever used any of these 6 phrases without you realizing their significance? This could be the moment that helps you uncover the truth and either protect your relationship or face a hard reality. Let's jump in. 1. So-and-so understands me so well. When your partner frequently mentions someone else, especially in an admiring way, it could be a red flag. Phrases like, so-and-so understands me so well, may seem innocent, but they could signal the development of an emotional connection with someone outside the relationship. This could lead to either emotional or even physical involvement, as it hints at a growing distance between you two. Pay attention if she often compares you to this person, as it might suggest she's seeking comfort elsewhere. 2. Don't worry, I'm just going out with some friends. This phrase may sound innocent, but it can sometimes be a cover-up. Those who are hiding something may rely on excuses like going out with friends to avoid explaining their real intentions. If you hear this phrase often, especially when accompanied by vague details, it might be time to pay closer attention. Inconsistencies in her stories could point to something that requires further investigation. 3. I need more space for myself. When a partner says they need more space, it can appear to be a simple request for personal time. However, it's worth considering what this really means. Often, this need for space may be a way of creating opportunities for emotional or physical distance, sometimes with someone else. If her request for space leads to her spending more time on activities she doesn't share with you, it's a sign to stay alert. 4. I'm working late tonight. Work can often serve as a reasonable explanation for absence, but when your partner frequently uses this excuse, it could be a sign that something more is going on. Routine mentions of working late can be an attempt to mask hidden activities. If this excuse becomes a regular occurrence and there are inconsistencies in her story, it's crucial to observe her reactions and question what's really happening. 5. I think we need some time apart. The suggestion of taking a break can sometimes be framed as a healthy way to resolve relationship issues. However, this request can also be a way of creating space for infidelity without facing direct confrontation. If this comes up suddenly and without much context, there may be more behind it than simply needing space. The way she approaches this topic could reveal her true intentions. 6. "You deserve someone better than me." When she says, "You deserve someone better than me," it might sound like an expression of humility or self-reflection. However, it can also be a subtle way of acknowledging inappropriate behavior, like infidelity, and deflecting some of the responsibility. This phrase can sometimes be a tactic to ease feelings of guilt, while simultaneously paving the way for a potential separation. Each of these phrases carries its own hidden meaning, and recognizing them can be crucial for understanding your relationship. Now the question is, have you heard any of these before? Remember, awareness is the first step in protecting what matters to you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to Way of Resilience for more real, relatable advice on navigating the complexities of love and relationships. Remember, relationships take time, care, and effort, but the rewards are worth it. When fear and caution are met with understanding and patience, they transform into trust and connection. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.